Hey guys, welcome back to EJ Stock Solution. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification icon for more of my video. Okay. And I know some of you be asking question, what's going on? It's been a while now. I haven't seen a video from you. Yes. I decided to dive into computer networking, and for those of you looking forward to dive into computer networks, I recommend you follow me on this hands-on practicals because more video is to come. Alright, so if you don't have a Cisco packet tracer, you can go on netarcade, Cisco netarcade.com, and download Cisco packet tracer 7.3.1, and you're gonna see something on your screen like this. You're gonna see something like just like what you're seeing on the screen. You're gonna see something just like what you're seeing on the screen. All right, it's a very useful software used most especially to configure networks, to diagnose network. It's very useful for network administrator, network engineers, and most IT personnel. All right, so you see Cisco Packet Tracer is an innovative and powerful networking simulation tool used for practice, discovery, and troubleshooting, hands-on flexibility, flexible delivery, and so on. It's a very useful tool, guys. So in this lab, I'm gonna close this. In this little lab that we're gonna set up, I'm gonna be configuring basic switch configuration. I'm gonna configure just basic switch configuration such as the username, the message for the day, which is the banner, and password for privilege mode, encrypt password, gonna encrypt the password, and so on. So in this video, once you get it done, you want to set up something just like this, right? Just set up a simple network just like what you're seeing on the screen. You'll be right here like the IT man or network administrator, system administrator, IT manager, whatsoever you mention. You'll be using a laptop to configure the switch. So in this video, I'll be using this laptop to configure the switch. Okay. So I want to hook this laptop up to this. I want to hook this laptop with the switch by using a console cable right here. You're going to use a console cable to hook this laptop. So you're going to hook it by use console port, which is on the laptop is RS223.232. Alright, so you click on it and go to the switch. Use the console, as you can see. Sorry about that. You can see use the console right here. Good, there we go. We just hook up the laptop to our switch, to our Cisco Catalyst 2960 switch. Okay, so as you can see, we just use this, just link them together, and by so doing we use the right parameters to configure the laptop to our switch, which is using the cable. So if you click on the laptop and go to terminal right here, and then just leave everything by default, just don't change it, just leave everything here by default, and then hit on OK. As you can see, you're gonna be seeing something like this, what you're seeing on the screen. Alright, you're gonna switch one, gonna tell you the port that is there, every information, the version of the switch, which is 12.2, the type of switch that we're using. As you can see, CS 2960 right there, 24 port. You can see right there. Right, that's for you to know that the laptop is connected to the switch. So without wasting most of our time, let's just dive into the configuration. Right, basic configuration like I mentioned earlier. So our first command we want to do is to guide this user exec mode. So we're gonna type enable, hit enter. That will go to our privilege mode. As you can see, switch number sign, that's a privilege, that's what we call the privilege mode. Alright guys, that's the privilege mode. So right here you want to type in configure terminal enter button, you see take you to privilege to global configuration mode. As you can see right there, switch bracket config with a number sign. This is our global, this is what we call the global configuration mode. So any changes you make when you're in this mode, it affects the entire switch and the entire network. So you have to be very careful when you're on this mode, or in this mode, right? Good. All right, so we want to give our host now our host name, our switch name is just switch. As you can see, switch. So let's give it a name that we can easily identify on our network, right? So in this case, we're going to type host name. Let's say EJ Tech. I love that name, EJ Tech. EJ Tech. All right, and just hit enter. As you can see, we change the switch name right here to EJ Tech. You see it? Right, so we can easily identify our switch by EJ Tech, right? Good. So the next command we want to do is to give a message for the day. So when you're trying to log in, you're gonna see that message appear, and that's gonna say unauthorized access is forbidden. So if you're not authorized to access the switch, don't do it. All right, good. So by doing so, you're gonna type banner, I can spell banner MOTD, and any parameter. In this video, I'm gonna use the number sign. As you can see right here, the number sign, and then followed by the message that you want to display. So you want to display when someone trying to log in or you trying to log in. So on, say unauthorized, all right, unauthorized access is forbidden, and you end it with a number sign as well. You can see right there. Make sure you end it with a number sign. Make sure you end it with a number sign, guys. Just like that. You can do a space, just like that, and hit the enter button. So we just set up our message for the day. Next command that we're going to type in is enable secret. So I want to give the console, I want to give the privilege, we're going to set up a privilege password. So you say enable, take it from cap, so enable secret. We're going to give it a password. Let's make it simple, Cisco. So Cisco is our password, it's our privilege password, right? So the next step we want to do is to encrypt our password. So the next parameter we're going to type it is service password encryption. Alright guys, so service password encryption, and hit enter. So we just encrypt our Cisco as a password, we just encrypt it. And the next thing, we want to go to line console. Alright, so it's a line con 0. So as you can see, the parameter from config changed to line, so we are in console 0 line, the same line right here. Alright, so line console 0, we are on the console 0 line, and you want to give a password on that line, make it more secure. So it's a password Cisco console. So we just set up line console with a password of Cisco console. And next command you want to type is the login synchronous, and hit the enter button, so you can see. So the next command I will be typing is login. So to log in password. So once you want to trying to go, you must ask, it must ask us for a password, right? So log in and hit enter, as you can see, right? So the next command I want to type is a history size. Okay, just you might not want to do this, but I love to do it sometimes. Just history size. We're gonna give a size, let's say 15, and hit enter or something. Right, so you just check what's wrong. History size, say size, or would input in size, history size. So guys, it must be good when it comes to all this, just to troubleshoot. And so history size, let's give it to 15. That's it. You just give a size, and then next command I want to type is exec hyphen timeout. So we're gonna give it a timeout. Let's say timeout what, 6. You might give it any letter you want to give timeout. So in my case, I give 6 as a timeout, and that's it, guys. That's the basic configuration of a switch. All what is in here, you just configure a switch, guys. Yeah, that's it. So on the next video, we'll dive into configure the VTY line and probably a VLAN 1 interface and so on. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the notification button for more video, because I'll be shooting the next video. So make sure you watch the next video as soon as you finish with this one. Make sure you watch all this video, every single video till the end, and I hope it adds some more value to you guys. Okay, so I look forward to see you on the next video. Leave your comment below, anything you want me to shoot video on. Don't forget to leave me a comment below, give a thumbs up, share, and like the video, guys. Alright, see you on the next video.